I'm a fan of entire Rajkumar family since my father's time. So it's quite devastated to hear such news because Punit Rajkumar is not just known for his movies but also known for his charity and for other works also. But today was a good day because his elder brother Shivaraj Kumar's movie has released. So we were in a festive mood actually. But suddenly there was a disheartening news came from a media as well as from our circle stating that he is no more. But we didn't believe it in first instance. But later on, after confirmation, we got to know he is no more. And as a fan, it's very hard to believe. But still, I can't believe. Still, we are hoping for some miracle will happen. But I know it's not sure. In reality, it won't happen. But that's it. We have lost a gem of a person.
I know him from past 40 years. When we started Dr. Rajkumar Abhimani Sangha in 82 in Gokak movement, I was with Dr. Rajkumar and Rajkumar Abhimani Sangha. From those days, I know from his childhood, and such a humble kid he was. And later, if somebody was about to go in the path of Dr. Rajkumar, means everybody knows that this was the guy who was about to go in Dr. Rajkumar's path. Now we are shocked. We don't know how can a person like so fit, so energetic, so humble, so kind-hearted guy, how he can pass away at this age. So fit he was, you can really can't even imagine that he is no more. We all felt that he will come back. We never expected that he will leave us. And he was so pet kid for father and Dr. Rajkumar and Akka Paratama. Yeah, most probably they liked him so much, that's why they must have called him so early. And for this thing, surprise, he is going to be cremated in the middle of those. And tomorrow or today it will happen and we will come to know in another ourselves.